Dawn breaks over the Detroit River on June 18, 2025, painting the sky in hues of gold and rose. The city stirs awake, and the first rays of sunlight glint off steel and water, illuminating a scene of transformation that has been years in the making. The Gordie Howe International Bridge rises from the mist, its silhouette bold and unmistakable against the morning sky. It stands as a testament to human ambition and the power of collaboration, its graceful lines hinting at the promise of connection. Sparks from welders leap into the air, briefly outshining the dawn, while the steady clang of steel echoes across the river. Workers in hard hats move with purpose and precision across the nearly finished deck, each step a part of a carefully choreographed dance of progress. These builders, skilled and determined, are tightening the last stay cables and pouring the final concrete. Their hands bring decades of planning, engineering, and hope to life, transforming blueprints into reality with every measured movement. The two towers, each soaring 722 feet into the sky, stand as sentinels over North America's busiest trade corridor. They watch over the river, the city, and the endless flow of goods and people that will soon cross this new path. This is more than a construction site. It's the forging of a new international connection, a physical and symbolic link between two nations, two cultures, and countless futures. Crews from both Canada and the US work in unison, their efforts converging above the river. Side by side, they share tools, stories, and a sense of purpose, building not just a bridge, but a legacy of cooperation. Every bolt tightened, every wire secured, brings the vision closer to reality. Each small detail is a vital part of the whole, a testament to the care and expertise poured into this monumental project. Soon, the sounds of construction, hammers, engines, voices, will give way to the steady hum of traffic. Trucks, cars, and travelers will flow across the span, connecting communities and economies on both sides of the border. For now, the bridge belongs to its builders. They walk its length, inspecting every detail, feeling the pride and weight of their monumental task. Their fingerprints are etched into every beam and cable. They understand the delicate balance of forces that make the structure strong and safe. Calculations and intuition guide their hands, ensuring that every element works in harmony to support the whole. As the sun rises higher, long shadows stretch across the water, tracing the lines of progress. The work continues, relentless and hopeful, as another day brings the bridge closer to completion. Each day brings the grand opening closer, a day when this steel giant will finally connect two nations. Flags flutter in the breeze, and the final touches are made with care and anticipation. The finish line is in sight, and anticipation fills the air. Laughter and cheers echo across the site as workers celebrate milestones, knowing they are part of something historic. The bridge stands ready to awaken and begin its vital work, connecting people, places, and possibilities for generations to come. The Gordie Howe International Bridge's journey began long before construction started in 2018. Years of political negotiations, land deals, and international agreements paved the way. The project includes the bridge, Canadian and US ports of entry, and a new interchange to I-75. Each component brought unique challenges, requiring massive coordination. Early years focused on foundations, driving piles deep and building customs plazas. The public watched as the towers rose, symbolizing progress. Managed by the Windsor-Detroit Bridge Authority, the project has been a model of transparency and public-private partnership. Now, in summer 2025, the focus is on finishing touches. Despite global supply chain disruptions, the bridge is nearly complete. The result, a structure poised to redefine the region's landscape and economic future. The bridge's defining moment came when the two decks finally met over the Detroit River, uniting not just two massive structures, but also two nations. This symbolic connection represents years of planning, engineering, and international cooperation as the bridge physically links Canada and the United States in a way never seen before at this crossing. This milestone was the result of meticulous engineering and teamwork, Segment by segment, the deck extended from each tower, with crews working day and night to ensure every piece aligned perfectly above the water. Each segment was carefully hoisted and secured, requiring precision and patience, as even the smallest misalignment could have delayed the entire project. The 722-foot towers anchor the bridge, their construction a feat of precision and endurance. Rising high above the river, these pylons are among the tallest in North America, built to withstand powerful winds and the test of time. Stay cables, fanning out from the towers in a striking pattern, give the bridge both its strength and its iconic look. These cables are engineered to support the massive weight of the deck, distributing forces evenly and ensuring stability for decades to come. 200 of the 216 cables are already tensioned, each one carefully calibrated to the exact specifications needed for safety and durability. The final cables will soon be in place, completing the bridge's unique cable-stayed design. Meanwhile, the ports of entry, massive state-of-the-art facilities on both sides of the river, are nearly complete. These modern complexes are designed to process both commercial and passenger traffic efficiently, with advanced technology for security and customs inspections. The Michigan interchange, though initially behind schedule, is now accelerating to meet the deadline. Crews are working around the clock, laying pavement, installing signage, and ensuring all connections are ready for opening day. New ramps and widened roads will ensure seamless traffic flow onto I-75, reducing congestion and making cross-border travel faster and more convenient for everyone. The Windsor-Detroit Bridge Authority confirms that all major work is on track for September 2025, with regular inspections and updates keeping the project moving forward. The grand opening is set for the fall, promising a historic celebration as dignitaries, workers, and the public gather to mark the completion of this international landmark. The bridge is almost ready to serve as a new international gateway, ushering in a new era of connection, commerce, and cooperation between Canada and the United States. With the main structure in place, crews are now installing the bridge's technological nervous system. Miles of electrical wiring and fiber optics power lights, cameras, and advanced traffic management. An intelligent transportation system will monitor traffic in real time, detect incidents, and provide instant updates to drivers. Weather sensors will track wind, temperature, and road conditions, ensuring year-round safety. Life safety systems, including fire suppression and emergency call boxes, are being installed along the bridge. These features create a multi-layered safety net for all users. The bridge is designed to be one of the safest crossings in the world. Every detail is engineered for efficiency, safety, and reliability. The final phase is about making the bridge smart, safe, and ready for the future. The Gordie Howe Bridge stands out for its unique features. Final restressing of the stay cables ensures perfect tension and long-term strength. Concrete and steel barriers protect vehicles and a dedicated path for pedestrians and cyclists, promoting recreation and tourism. High-security fencing secures the bridge and ports of entry. A special nesting box for peregrine falcons will support local wildlife, blending infrastructure with environmental stewardship. Architectural lighting will transform the bridge into a nighttime landmark. These finishing touches make the bridge safe, iconic, and environmentally conscious. The Gordie Howe International Bridge is a vital economic artery for the U.S. and Canada. The Windsor-Detroit corridor is North America's busiest land border, with over $300 million in goods crossing daily. The aging Ambassador Bridge can no longer keep up. The new bridge's 6 lanes and modern customs plazas will reduce congestion and speed up trade. Reliable crossings are crucial for industries like automotive manufacturing, where delays can cripple supply chains. Michigan State University's forum, Beyond the Gordie Howe Bridge, is exploring how to maximize the bridge's economic impact. The bridge is expected to create thousands of jobs and fuel growth on both sides of the border. It's an investment in the future of North American trade. The bridge opens amid shifting political and economic landscapes. Trade disputes and tariffs have tested U.S.-Canada relations, casting uncertainty over cross-border commerce. The bridge's success depends on stable policies that keep goods flowing. Forums like MSU's bring stakeholders together to advocate for cooperation and resilience. The bridge is a catalyst for dialogue, reminding leaders of the deep economic ties at stake. It's a $4.79 billion bet on the enduring value of partnership. Despite political headwinds, the bridge is built to last a century. Its planners are betting on integration and mutual benefit over protectionism. The Gordie Howe Bridge is a vote of confidence in a shared future. The Gordie Howe Bridge is a diplomatic statement as much as an economic one. In an era of walls, this bridge is a deliberate act of connection. Managed through a unique international partnership, it embodies the world's longest undefended border. The multi-use path for pedestrians and cyclists humanizes the border, fostering community and tourism. The project is a model for future international infrastructure, showing what's possible through cooperation. Its completion will be a major diplomatic achievement, proving common ground can be found. As the bridge nears opening, it stands as a symbol of hope and optimism. It's a promise of continued friendship and mutual respect for generations. For Windsor and Detroit, the Gordie Howe Bridge is transforming daily life in ways both big and small. This massive project stands as a testament to the enduring partnership between these two vibrant cities, forever changing the landscape and the way people connect across the border. Residents have watched it rise from the ground up, witnessing firsthand the creation of a new landmark. The construction has brought thousands of jobs, supporting local families and infusing new energy into neighborhoods on both sides of the river. The bridge promises to revitalize areas like Delray in Detroit, long overlooked, and to attract new businesses and investment to Windsor's riverfront, sparking economic growth and renewed hope for the future. Every day, thousands cross the border for work, study, or to visit loved ones. The new bridge will ease these commutes, reducing wait times and making cross-border life more convenient for everyone. With its dedicated pedestrian and bike path, the bridge will open up new recreational opportunities, encouraging healthy lifestyles and making it easier for families and friends to visit each other, whether by foot or by bike. More than just a physical structure, the bridge strengthens the sense of a shared metropolitan region, bringing Windsor and Detroit closer together through community events and shared experiences. Named for hockey legend Gordie Howe, the bridge stands as a fitting symbol of cross-border spirit, resilience, and the shared love of sport that unites people on both sides. More than steel and cable, it's a connection of people and futures, a place where friendships are forged, families are reunited, and cultures blend together in harmony. For Windsor and Detroit, the opening marks a new beginning, a celebration of progress, unity, and the promise of a brighter tomorrow. As the sun rises over the Gordie Howe Bridge, a new chapter of promise and opportunity is about to unfold, offering hope and inspiration for generations to come.